Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you 2 cuttings. Well, actually I think I did 4 cuttings from my jasmine plant, my jasmine sambac. I just cut them and made sure there's nodes on them, and guess what? It took a long time, but there you go. Look at the root. A beautiful root in there. I'm so surprised. Apparently, why I decided to check on it, it's because it has blooms. Look, in the water, and it bloomed. I have 4 blooms here, and I have another bloom over here and on the other branch, but not all of them have roots. Okay, let's see this one that has so many flowers. I want to take it out slowly. I'm kind of shaky. There is no root, but it has so many flowers. And this one that has 1 flower, I don't know if those are roots. I believe they are. And that bottom part is kind of weird. The one that has many flowers, it also has the same thing. I'm sorry, I'm trying to stay still. But apparently, I don't know, looks like roots or something. Oh, I'm so shaky. The next one, okay, which one doesn't? Okay, this is the one I showed you. This is another one, but I don't see roots, but it has this stuff on the bottom that apparently something's going on there, right? It looks like if it was roots or something, just, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Where else? Okay, that's the same one, but it has roots. This one that has so many blooms on it has no roots. Now what I did is make sure I take out any blooms. I take it out so it concentrates on making more roots instead of concentrating on making blooms. But I see no roots on this one. So I'm going to take out the bloom out, and I will still keep on waiting for it to root. I have 1 already rooted, which I'm happy with. So I just wanted to share with you my success on rooting them in just tap water. I just wait a little bit, like 30 minutes for the chlorine to vanish, and then I just stick them in there. Yeah, I got blooms. And I'm going to remove all these blooms so it concentrates on making roots instead of blooms, because I don't want blooms right now. So all I want is them to root for me. And so far so good. I finally have a root. So yes, it is possible to root it in water as well. Any plant that has nodes, I'm 100% sure that you can root them in water. Anyways, my friends, it's a very short video. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.